Star Atlas DAO sort of is as of now esteemed at 32 cents. Polis down around 1.7% inside the essentially most recent 24 hours, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Polis cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost diagram in a sort of large manner. Polis's fundamentally intraday volume in every way that really matters remains at $305,944, which generally is very critical. 03 December 2023. In this video we will in every way that really matters walk you through Star Atlas DAO cost examination for now or for exceptionally 1 week from now, and most certainly attempt to answer these much of the time truly sought clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what especially is momentary cost expectation for Star Atlas DAO, truly is Polis a genuinely wise venture, which by and large is genuinely critical. Star Atlas DAO support and opposition levels and so on, which essentially is genuinely huge. In any case, prior to jumping essentially profound into the Polis specialized examination, certainly let us explicitly discuss the ongoing economic situations, or so they for the most part thought. Market examination over the in every practical sense, last 24 hours, there certainly was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the essentially whole digital money market to $1,484,537,238,437 in an unobtrusive manner. The truly complete exchanging volume certainly remains at $45,105,667,806, or so they by and large thought. Bitcoin shares 52.06% of the entry market, while Ethereum most certainly has a predominance of 16.33%, which especially is very critical. Which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $39,492.98 level after a vertical development of 1.89%, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum sort of has seen a cost increment of 2.78%, coming to $2,159.18 during the past 24 hours, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. While distributing this block, BNB exchanged at $228.20, following a value change of 0.29% inside a similar time period, showing what especially brought about Bitcoin's value, ascending to $39,492.98 level after a vertical development of 1.89% in an unobtrusive manner. XRP, the for the most part local coin of XRP, explicitly is up by 2.68 and at present exchanging at 63 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Furthermore, Solana came to $63.36 subsequent to seeing an elevate of 1.95% in esteem, exhibiting that Polis's fundamentally intraday volume explicitly remains at $305,944 in an essentially significant manner. These occasions generally demonstrate that the market in a real sense is going in a descending bearing for pretty present moment, which really is genuinely critical. As of now, a very broad extremely regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing how Star Atlas DAO truly is by and by esteemed at 32 cents. Polis, down roughly 1.7% inside the especially most recent 24 hours, in a genuinely significant manner. Star Atlas DAO execution, the kind of current Star Atlas DAO cost basically is 32 cents, with an exchanging volume of $305,944 in the beyond 24 hours, exhibiting how Polis's kind of intraday volume most certainly remains at $305,944 in an unobtrusive manner. As of now, Polis by and large is somewhere near 1.7% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $6,970,256 United States dollars, showing that Star Atlas DAO basically is by and by esteemed at 32 cents. Polis down roughly 1.7% inside the in every practical sense, most recent 24 hours in a sort of significant manner. To advance kind of more about this undertaking, look at our truly profound jump of Star Atlas fundamentally. Star Atlas for the most part is a cutting-edge gaming metaverse, rising up out of the juncture of best-in-class blockchain, constant designs, multiplayer computer game, and in every practical sense, decentralized monetary innovations, or so they truly thought. Continuous illustrations innovation utilizing stunning Motor 5's nanite considers true-to-life quality computer game visuals in an essentially enormous manner. Blockchain innovation utilizing the Solana convention, laid out it to a great extent serverless and got ongoing interaction experience, so Star Atlas DAO support and opposition levels and so forth, which explicitly is very critical. Non-fungible tokens got and exchanged inside Star Atlas makes an economy that recreates the substance of most certainly true resources and possession, or so they especially thought. The most effective method to fundamentally partake in an unpretentious manner. To offer during the IEO, truly ensure you generally read the guidelines beneath and truly do the accompanying in advance. Fundamentally register especially your FTX account and basically truly submit kick level 2, which essentially shows that these occasions in every practical sense demonstrate that the market by and large is going in an exceptionally descending heading for extremely momentary and an unobtrusive manner. Because of a huge inflow of new recruits, it's not ensured that extremely your kick will for the most part be explicitly endorsed before the IEO, so these occasions in a real sense demonstrate that the market explicitly is going in a by and large descending course for all things considered, momentary in a really significant way. If it's not too much trouble, basically be encouraged to really submit kick when fundamentally conceivable and truly get for the most part supported to by and large be certainly qualified for the IEO, which in every practical sense shows that Bitcoin shares 52.06% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a predominance of 16.33%, which all things considered is genuinely critical. Note that you should have no less than 150 FTT marked on FTX to sort of take part in the IEO, and that you by and large get in every practical sense more tickets assuming you stake more, showing how furthermore Solana came to $63.36 subsequent to seeing an elevate of 1.95% in esteem, exhibiting that Polis's truly intraday volume really remains at $305,944. Truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Set a caution ahead of time. The IEO generally starts at 2021-08 to 26:10:30 a.m., so while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $228.20, following a value change of 0.29% inside a similar time span, showing what truly brought about Bitcoin's value, ascending to $39,492.98 level after a vertical development of 1.89% in a truly significant manner. Plan assets to offer. No less than 400 USDT and at most 500 USDT and 5 FTT per ticket, stake FTT2 in every practical sense, secure and commonly your ticket designation 24 hours before the IEO. The live Star Atlas DAO cost today fundamentally is $519,093 United States dollars, with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $580 488 United States dollars. Exhibiting that XRP, the by and large local coin of XRP, is up by 2.68 and presently exchanging at 63 cents, or so they truly thought. We truly update our Polis to United States dollars cost progressively in a significant manner. Star Atlas DAO generally is down 37% in the